how are you? I can't think of a way to get work done without being online. But what if you are in some remote location or maybe in a deep basement and you can't get any signal? My name is Jorge and in this video I'm going to show you the offline mode in Power Apps. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to take your app offline, know that with Dataverse it is as easy as it gets. You will need 3 to 4 things. First, you will need to enable your tables for offline. Some standard tables like accounts and contacts come with this setting on by default, but you should check this for every table you plan to make available offline. Second, you will need to enable your app for offline mode. Third, although the platform can generate an offline profile for you, you would do better to take a look inside and configure it so that it will download only the data you need to get the job done. Create your own profile, add the tables you need in your app, and for each table you can configure which rows should be downloaded. And you can configure it to bring the user's rows, or maybe you want to take it a bit further and configure a finer filter for the data, like the user's rows created from the last 7 days. And 4, and this is for model-driven apps only, you can restrict the offline mode to certain users. With this done and everything published, you get this globe icon in your app. And when you click it, you get very useful information, namely the status of your connection, the sync status also, and when it was last synced, an option to work in offline mode, a button to check for updates in your data, and also how many tables you have in your app and how many rows you have downloaded. Finally, you get information on how much storage you are taking. Now, let's take the app offline and give it a go. So, for the moment, we have a couple of inspections recorded. Let's check this on the mobile app as well. And we've got some updates going on here. I think it's done. Let's close this. And it's up to date. Let's turn on offline mode. You are now working in offline mode. You get this nice message here. And let's record a new inspection. Datum. let's use a different fire extinguisher with this one, and today's date, and yes, it has passed, and save. Okay, let's go back here. So we now have 3 inspections in our device. Let's do a refresh on the browser, and only 2 in the browser. I want to draw your attention to something else. If we take a look at this fire extinguisher here, you will notice these 2 date fields that are populated. Now, if we go and take a look at the fire extinguisher we have just inspected in our mobile app in offline mode, which was this one, you will notice that these 2 dates are not populated. Last inspection is a classic workflow that takes the date of the inspection and populates this field. And next inspection is a formula field that takes the date of last inspection, adds 30 days, and populates this field. So bear in mind that not all features are available offline, so you should take care to test your app thoroughly. Let's now go back to online mode. Maybe do a check for updates so we know for sure that data is getting synced immediately. You can see the new inspection is in the browser already, and the date fields are now populated. So, what do you think about this offline mode? Do you find it useful? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon!